it's Megan with WTI, and I am always on the lookout for a great high protein snack that is not a protein bar. This beef jerky from Great Canadian Meat has definitely filled that need for me in a most delicious way. I really love all of the flavor varieties. All of them are amazing in their own way, but I especially like the sweet heat flavor. Every single one of them tastes perfectly balanced with spices, and they all have that little touch of sweetness, which makes me keep going back for more. The texture of this jerky is just spot on. It has this great chewy texture without being too soft or too tough. I find the package size to be perfect for a personal snack when I'm really hungry, or if I'm not so hungry, it's great for sharing. As I mentioned, a lot of high protein snacks out there are on the sweet side, like protein bars, etc. So it's really nice to have a savory option in this jerky. I think the fact that this jerky is so portable is such a convenient option. I can snack on it at home, or I can easily take it with me on road trips, or if I'm outdoors hiking. I have definitely found a new favorite snack, and I am so happy to have discovered this Great Canadian Meat beef jerky. And that's my point of view.